Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. So today we will discuss the mixed arithmetic questions. So let's get started. Shopkeeper sells rice worth 50 rupees per kg at 64 rupees per kg and he uses a false weight of 800 gram instead of 1 kg. Find the net profit earned by him. So initially the cost price of that rice will be 50 rupees. So he sold it for 64 rupees. Therefore the profit will be for 14 divided by 50 into 100. So that will be equal to 28%. So the profit earned for that false weight will be, so he is getting 200 profit out of 800 into 100 because instead of 1 kg he uses the 800 gram and from that he will get 200 profit, 200 grams of profit. So that's why I have multiplied this with 100, then that will be equal to 25%. And in the question they have asked the net profit earned by him. So we know that the net profit formula will be x plus y plus x5 by 100. So this 28% plus 25 plus 28 into 25 divided by 100. So finally we will get 53.7, that will be equal to 60%. So next problem. S invested 70,000 in each scheme A and B for 6 years. Scheme A offers a simple interest at 10.5% rate of interest, whereas Scheme B offers the simple interest at 12.5% rate of interest. Find the total amount earned by S from both of the schemes together. So here we know that simple interest formula. So initially he is going to invest the same amount in two different schemes, okay, and he invests for same period of time but with different interests. So 70,000 into 6 into 10.5 divided by 100, and in next scheme he will invest 70,000 into, so 12.5% will be 1 by 8, so that will be multiplied for 6 years. So after simplifying this, so we will get the interest and from this scheme and this scheme as 96,600 rupees, and here they asked the total amount earned by S in both the schemes together. Means we have to add 70,000 twice. So after adding this we will get 2,66,600 rupees. Next question. A and B starts a business with initial capital of rupees 3,600 and rupees 5,400 respectively. So after 4 months, A withdraws X from his capital, and at the end of the year, the ratio of the profit share of A and B will be 3:4. Then what is the value of X? So we know that he is investing 3,600 and it will invest for 4 months. So later it withdraws some amount from the initial capital. So I have written 3,600 minus X, and that will be done for 8 more months. Then divided by 5,400, and this B will invest for the entire year. So that's why I have multiplied with 12. So then the profit will be 3 by 4. So if I multiply this, I will get 14400 plus 28,800 minus 8x divided by 64,800. So that will be equal to 3 by 4. So after simplifying this, I will get 1,44,000 plus 28,800 minus 8x, that will be equal to 16200. So further simplification, I will be getting 8x will be equal to 27,000 and x will be equal to 3375. So here also they asked the value of x, so that will be 3375. The next question. Circumference of a circle is 76 cm more than the perimeter of a rectangle. If the radius of the circle is 7 cm less than the length of the rectangle and 5 cm more than the breadth of a rectangle, then find the area of the rectangle. So here we know that according to the data, the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, will be equal to 76 plus perimeter of the rectangle, that is 2L plus B. So then 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R, that will be equal to 76 plus 2 into, instead of writing L, I will write R plus 7, because in the question they have mentioned that here the length will be 7 more than the radius, and also that radius is 5 centimeter more than the breadth, means B will be R minus 5. Therefore, 44R divided by 7 will be equal to 76 plus 4R plus 4. That is 16R divided by 7 will be equal to 80. Therefore, R will be equal to 35. Then the area of the rectangle will be length into breadth, and here we know that in place of L we can write R plus 7, and in place of B we can write R minus 5, and we know the value for the R, that is 35. So if I substitute this in the formula, 44 into 30, so that will be equal to 1260 centimeter square. So that is the area of the rectangle. And next question, so this is the last question of this video. The ratio between the yearly sales of wheat and rice of the shopkeeper is 5:7, and that of the ratio between the yearly sales of rice and sugar of the shopkeeper will be 14:12. If the sum of the yearly sales of the wheat, rice and sugar is 21,600 kg, then yearly sales of the rice is equal to, know that the ratio between the wheat, rice and the sugar will be 5:7, 14:12. So we make it equal, like this one. So 10:14:12. So that, and also in the question they have mentioned that this 21,600 will be equal to sum of this, that is 36. So then we have to calculate the yearly sales of rice, that is into multiplied by 14. So after simplifying, finally we will get 8,400 kg. So this is the yearly sales of the rice. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe and support for more videos like this.